Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. So, to get started, I do want to mention that you can do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. I don't think I have one set, but let's check. Oh no, I do. I have a pin. So anyway, I will progress from the lock screen as though I don't know this pin. And to get started, all you need to do is hold power button and volume up, which will bring down or bring up your boot options. And here, just swipe down. Now I do want to point out one more thing before I do so. Let me just kind of cancel this and quickly unlock the device. If you go into the settings and you check, not this, settings, there we go. And you look under user and accounts. If you have a Google account added in here, which I think I do. In any case, if you have one added in here and you do this kind of reset in order to get rid of a screen lock, your device will become FRP locked. And that means that when you're going through the setup process after the reset, you will be forced to verify either the screen lock or the Google account. And if you can't provide at least one of those, you will not be able to finish up the setup, and therefore you're kind of left with a brick for a phone. Because if you can't finish up the setup, you can't really use the phone fully, now can you? So just be warned of that. Anyway, I'm gonna swipe down to turn off the device. And if I remember correctly, here to access recovery mode, we're gonna be holding power button and volume up again. So if not, I guess I'll have to switch to volume down. Let's let go of the power button when the OPPO logo shows up, and something tells me that it is volume down instead. Yep, that would be the correct thing. Power button and volume down. So bear with me. Just gonna need to wait for the device to boot back up. Okay, let's do that quickly. And power volume down. Let go of the power button when you see the OPPO logo. There we go. So, and here we're going to select English, and obviously you can select other languages, but there isn't very many. And here, select Format Data. When you do click on it, it gets you this please enter verification code. Now this code is obviously displayed right here. So it's completely unassociated to the pin that I had on the device. So just type in whatever it shows on your phone right over here. So for me right now, this is 3648. The reason I'm saying right now is because if I were to go back and navigate back in here, this code would change. When you type in correctly, it gets you this pop-up right here. Format data. All user data will be reset. Format. Okay. And this will reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Now, because it is continuing the reset, it will take it just a moment to finish this up. Longer than it would normally take the device to boot back up. And once it's finished, we'll be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.